Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will to tell you about balanced diet. Balanced nutrients. What food shall be eaten to profit a good balance of nutrients? Nutrients is the best balance by eating the right amounts of a large variety of food. This provides the protein, carbohydrates, fat, mineral, and vitamin needed for a healthy body. The right amount of water and exercise are also critical to good health. Grains provide mostly carbohydrates as starches. Some of the grain categories should be from whole grains for fiber and vitamins. Vegetables provide vitamin, minerals, and fiber, such as potatoes also provide carbohydrates and some vegetable protein, which needs to be eaten with other protein food to be complete. Fruits provide different vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The high sugar tends to replace other needed food. Dairy products provide complex proteins and major minerals, particularly calcium. They are commonly supplemented with vitamin D and vitamin A. Complex protein provided by meat, chicken, egg, fish, and soybeans, such as rice or corn are eaten at the same meal to provide limiting amino acid. Vegetable oils provide a balance of essential fatty acid. Half or serving in the oil category should be one of the vegetable oils providing essential fatty acid each day. Discretionary calories should be limited to avoid excessive weight gain. Low-fat dairy products and lean meat should be used or discretionary calories reduced. Protein. Protein are made of chain of up to 20 different amino acids. During digestion, proteins are broken down into amino acids for the body use. Amino acids they are essential amino acids that cannot be made by other bodies and must be eaten. Complex proteins contain all the essential amino acids in adequate amounts such as milk, yogurt, cheese, and eggs. Partially complex proteins. Most proteins in a plant group are only partially complex but can be made complete if combined with another protein. Importance of proteins. Number 1. Provide needed components for gain and cell reproduction. Number 2. Direct and control the chemical reaction of life as enzyme. Number 3. Repair body damage for forming scar tissue. Number 4. Direct and balance body function as hormones. Number 5. Form a major part of muscle, including the heart. Number 6. Defend against infection as antibodies. How can babies receive an adequate amount of protein? Breast milk is an ideal source of protein for the first 12 to 24 months of life because it has a perfect balance of amino acids, does not cause allergy, provides all needed nutrients for normal-term infants. Carbohydrates. Monosaccharide is the basic dietary carbohydrate and has six carbons. Examples are glucose, fructose, and galactose. Disaccharide from when two monosaccharide join together. Cellulose is also a long chain of polymer of glucose. It is one of several indigestible carbohydrates called fiber. Importance of carbohydrates. Number 1. Combine with proteins or fat to form important parts of cartilage, connective tissue, the nervous system, and the immune system. Number 2. Contribute to stool softness and normal bowel function as fiber. Large amount of some fiber in the bowel can ferment to produce gas flatus. Number 3. Provide energy for brain, muscle, and other body function. Why are some people lactose intolerant? Because lactose cannot be used until it is broken down into its two parts by the enzyme lactase. Virtually all infants have enough lactase to digest the lactose in milk. Lactose level diminishes with age in most populations, causing lactose intolerance. However, certain populations of North European ancestry and a few in Africa have gains causing lactose to remain with no symptom of lactose intolerance. Fats. Fats are mostly made of carbon and hydrogen and do not mix well with water. Most dietary fats, called triglycerides, are made with three fatty acids. Trans fatty acids are formed when hydrogen is added to unsaturated fats to make them solid. Cholesterol is another type of fat found in all cell membranes in small amounts. Importance of fats. Number 1. Cell membranes are layers of fat which form cell walls and chambers. Number 2. Cholesterol performs several functions. Number 3. Fat is an efficient way to store energy. Number 4. Fat is important insulation. Minerals. Natural minerals. Over 200 mg of each macromineral is in a normal daily diet. Electrolytes include sodium, potassium, and chloride. Magnesium, about half of the body's magnesium is found in the bones, half within cell, and about 1% in the bone and tissue fluid. Phosphorus combined with calcium to strengthen the skeleton. Calcium, the most abundant mineral in the body. Trace element of microminerals. Less than 20 mg of each micromineral is in a normal daily diet. Microminerals are important helpers in various reactions throughout the body, like iron, iodine, zinc, copper, selenium, fluorine, and chromium. Insufficient iron or copper are two causes of anemia, low red blood cell count, which result in paleness, fatigue, tiredness, and loss of energy. The most reliable dietary source is iodized salt. It is suggested that iodized salt always be used even if it costs more than non-iodized salt. Zinc helps in many chemical reactions in the body. Vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Water-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, vitamin C, and choline. Fat-soluble vitamin. Vitamin A, retinoic acid. Performance vitamin A is found only in animals or supplemented food. Deficiency effect. Impaired vision, night blindness, dry eyes, destruction of the cornea, and total blindness. Vitamin D, cholecalciferol, ergocalciferol. Most is the man by converting a compound in the skin when exposed to the sunlight. Deficiency effect, reduced bone mineral density and fragile bones is called osteoporosis. Vitamin E, tocopherols, tocopherinols. Oranges, almonds, sunflower seed, sunflower oil, peanuts, hazelnut, and corn oil. Deficiency effect. It usually appears as nerve problem in hand and feet, but also as anemia in premature events. Vitamin K, piloquinone, menaquinone. Such as bacteria in the gut, cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, other green leafy vegetables, cereals, soybeans, and other vegetables. Deficiency effect, impaired bone clothing, poor minerals of the bone. Water-soluble vitamin. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Such lesser amount are found in the fruit, vegetable, and dairy products. Deficiency effect. Chronic deficiency can also cause permanent psychosis with memory loss and confusion. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, such as land meat, eggs, legumes, nuts, green leafy vegetable, dairy product, and fortified wheat and cereal. Deficiency effect. Blood volume also occurs in children. Vitamin B12, niacin, such as dairy product, poultry, fish, land meats, nuts, and eggs. Legumes and unrice separate breeds and cereal also. Deficiency effect, aggression, dermatitis, insomnia, weakness, mental confusion, diarrhea, and eventually dementia and death. Vitamin B6, pyridosine, such as cereal grains, legumes, vegetables like carrots, spinach, fish, potatoes, milk, cheese, egg, fish, liver, meat, and flour. Deficiency affect anemia, depression, dermatitis, high blood pressure, and water retention. Vitamin C, choline, sources abundant in egg yolk, abundant during processing in milk food, deficient. Deficiency affect fatty liver and liver damage. Water, about 60% in the body is water. Virtually all body function depend on it. Daily fluid needs can more than double due to higher elevation, higher temperature, lower humidity, more exercise, and bronchitis. The best beverage choice is self-water or, in a specific case when salt losses are high such as with heavy wetting, a quality sport beverage. Infant nutrients. Why is mother milk the best food for infants born near the gestation? Because minerals and vitamins are readily digestible and generally sufficient with modest exposure to sunlight to produce some vitamin D. Mother's milk should be exclusively fed to an infant for the first 4 to 6 months and should be the foundation of the child diet for at least 12 months. By 4 to 6 months of age, infants to outgrow their body supply of iron and other nutrients are needed in addition to mother milk, the protein from mother milk, the carbohydrate lactose from mother milk, the fat providers infants. Thank you. I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.